This is a peanut butter fruit tree. We have been growing them for 6 to 7 years, and they have had no pest problems. It is a really good choice for new gardeners. This tree is native to South America. Its Latin name is
Bunchosia argentea.
the peanut butter fruit tree. Produces small fruit the size of a grape and tastes like a fig. If you're wondering why the name has peanut butter in it, it's probably because of the texture. After 2 to 3 years, it produces fruit. It fruits from July to January, 6 to 7 months. As you see, I have a lot of them. If you'd like to purchase these, I'll have them linked in the description for all of these sizes. This is what it looks like before it produces fruit. And this is what it looks like when it produces fruit. It is ripe when it is red. And bees love the fruit. So watch out for the bees taking all your fruit. And if you have any questions that I have not answered, comment down below. And thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye.